Hey, what's up everybody? Eric Solbox. Today I am out in the shop getting my assembly on while Asher spins some laps here in the front yard on his little CRF50. Reminds me of my youth. I grew up with a Honda CT70, pretty similar, and I was spinning laps like this in the yard when I was 5 years old. I couldn't touch the pegs, much less the ground. My dad would just get me going, and I would just go around in circles. And when it was time for me to stop, I would just slow down, and he would just grab the handlebars and stop me like that. So anyway, I'm doing some assembly here. I think tomorrow we're gonna go get a second kid's bike. We're gonna get a KDX50. This CRF, I was under the impression that this was being given to Asher, but it turns out it's not. I actually have to give this bike back at some point. Hey, shut it off, Asher. Or keep going. So anyway, I was under the impression when I went to Oregon to get that bike that it was being given to him, but it actually isn't. I have to return the bike at some point. My friend Peter, who's going to be out of the country for who knows how long, maybe a few years, he's getting ready to leave at the end of the month. Whenever he comes back, I'm going to have to return this bike. But something that's really important to me is that Asher's first bike be something that, you know, when he's an adult, he can still have, you know. I would give anything to still have my CT70, and I don't have it anymore. So anyway, I'm going to get him a KDX50, so we both have KDXs, which will be really cool. And then Asher's little friend Michael, who's exactly Asher's age, who doesn't have a father figure in his life at all, but he's really interested in motorcycles, ironically. I think I'm going to set it up so that the two boys can go riding together. Michael will be able to ride the little CRF, and Asher can have the KDX, and that's going to be pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I think that's going to be our game plan. So we're going to spend, tomorrow's Sunday, we're going to spend all day tomorrow driving down south of Seattle to pick the little KDX up, and I'll probably build some training wheels for it. Neither of the boys know how to ride a two-wheeler completely. Asher has started to be able to ride a two-wheeler and can go a little ways, but as soon as I say that you're doing it, he always ends up crashing once he realizes that he's riding a two-wheeler. So with a little more work, I think we'll have both boys riding these bikes without the training wheels. So anyway, I think I'm going to get back to assembling these last couple of sets of boxes and getting them shipped today. And got anything to add to the video, Asher? Is that a no?
Won't get back on.
You want to get back on your bike and going?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. I'll get it started for you. All right, guys. Eric Solbox, you know where we'll be.